she has 8 children. 6 of them are male and 2 female children, and ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ಗಂಡನಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಲು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡ ದೈವಾಧೀನರಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ 5-5 ಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. She was staying in a house where her husband left for her, and she was very happy, and she was staying, and he has a house, but he came and stayed in pretext of offering pujas to the family deity, and she was very happy. Another son is taking care. Slowly he started neglecting the parents, I mean the mother, and ultimately it was so difficult for even to eat, for a meal of Keshav. It was a shock for her that how somebody can change. It's her house, somebody can change.